Good afternoon, students. Today I'll start the exercise number 5.1, and you see these types of math we can be solved by higher this process. What are the process? Different method you can say: substitution method, one part; simultaneous method, cross multiplication method. So generally these 3 or 4 types we can solve this math. Okay, so we have to learn how can you solve this math, but generally you need listen that in exam generally the method is not be mentioned. So any one method, whatever you can prefer about these 3 method, you can do that. So just now I will be discuss the math. That is suppose 1 and 1. X plus y is equal to 14, and another part math, x minus y is equal to 4. How can I solve this? Suppose you think x is equal to what? 4 plus y. Substitution method. Substitution means change. So this equation, in place of x you can replace by that. So whatever you can get, 4 plus y is equal to 14. So 2y is equal to 14 minus 4, that is 10. So y value 10 by 2, that is 5. So whenever put this, now put it here. X value is what? 4 plus 5, that is 9. So your answer will be what? X value will be 9 and y value will be 5. This will be your answer. Hope you have understood the process. This is called the substitution. Just to change it. Substitution means is what? Just to change it from there. So that is called the substitution method. Okay. So you think for that. Now we will be discuss the another math. Suppose little critical math will be 1 and 2. What is say that? X minus 3, 1 and 2. What is given? S minus t is equal to 3, and this question s by 3 plus t by 2, that is the answer is 6. So see that whatever you can get, s is equal to, you are able to write 3 plus t. Any problem? Minus t, go to that side as a plus t. So this will be a equation. Now put it here. S is equal to what? 3 plus t. By 3 already be there. T plus 2. T by 2, sorry. 6. Now 6 will be LCM. 3 2 is 6. So 2 multiplied by 3 plus t plus 2 3 is 6. 3t is equal to 6. 2 3 is 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to, do the cross multiplication, 3 6 is 36. So 2t plus 3t, 5t is equal to 36 minus 6, that is 30. So ta value is what? 30 by 5, that is 6. So if you put the values here, 3 plus 6, that is 9. So answer DSA value is 9 and ta value is 6. So in this way you can solve the math from this exercise. I think it will be next method, there is the elimination method. I will be always prefer for that, because I think this will be better to understood and easiest way to solve that part. But whatever, if the question we ask for this way, then we have the nothing we are able to do it. Next, another one math I will be show to you. Suppose which math? Four and 1. Four and 1. What is say that mx minus ny is equal to m square plus n square. And another equation what is given? X plus y is equal to 2m. Clear? So if I can keep that x is equal to 2m minus y, this I will be put it in the equation number 1. What is say that mx, that m into x, 2m minus y minus ny is equal to m square plus n square. Now multiply it. 2m square minus my minus my is equal to m square plus n square. So there you can get it, the m square coming there as the m square plus minus my minus ny is equal to n square. Next step, m square minus n square is equal to, this will go to that side as my plus ny. So this will be m plus n, m minus n. Why? Because a square minus b square. You can take m as the, y is the, take the common, m plus n. Just follow the process of that, in which way you can solve that part. This is a methodically you can solve that part. Okay. So now you can do what things, m plus n be cancel. So y value is what? M minus m. Now if I put the value is here, x is equal to 2m minus y, m minus n. So that's why 2m minus n plus n. So 2m minus n, that is m plus n. So your value will be, xi value is m plus n and y value will be m minus n. That will be the answer. Hope you have understood this process. Okay. Last of all, if I show you the another one math, last math, there is a question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. See that what is given? 3x minus y is equal to 5. Another part given, 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. Now solve it. Question hence find the p if y is equal to this. Okay, first you find the x and y value. Easy. So suppose if I write 3x minus 5 is equal to y, you can get, in place of y can put this, because minus y go to the side as a plus y. So 4x minus 3 into y, 3x minus 5 minus 1. So 4x minus 9x plus 15 minus 1 minus 5x minus 1 minus 15, that is minus 16 will be there. Understood for that? Okay. So whatever you can get it, you can get it. X value will be what? Minus minus we cancel, 16 by 5. If I put it here, 16 by 5 minus 5 is equal to y. So 48 minus 5 is equal to y. 5, 48 minus 25, that is also y. So now 23 5y. So y is equal to 23 by 5. So we are getting that x value is this and y value is this. Now question of, hence find the p is equal to, find the value of p. Okay, question is p is equal to, y is equal to px minus 3. Y is equal to px minus 3. Okay, see that y value is what? 23 by 5. P value I don't know, x value 16 by 5 minus 3. So next step, 23 by 5 plus 3 is equal to 16p by 5. So if I do the LCM 5, so 23 plus 15 is equal to 16p by 5. Next step, 23 plus 15 means is 38 by 5 is equal to 16p by 5. Okay. So now whatever you can get it, if I can cancel it, 5 we cancel. So p value is what? 38 by 16. So 19 by 8. 8 to just 16. 2 whole number 3 by 8. Hope you have understood the whole chapter. So do practice the rest of my. This will be understood. Goodbye.